Hello everyone. So today I'll show you my project two part one for the CRUD operations. So to start, I'll be walking you through the requirements. Um, so just as you can see here, um, here's my project, and here's where I handle the errors. Every error is handled with a try and catch, and you can also see that it returns the errors, the 400 and the 500 errors, depending on what's not working. And here, the slugger, you can see it's working. And okay, so right now my server is running on port 300, but now I'll show you. So my my application right now is uploaded into GitHub. It's working. The .env env file, which I have here, it's ignored and it's not uploaded into GitHub. And you can see here that I have the database for this project, which I named Project 2, and it has the users. And it's also here on Compass. So now I'll show you the functionality in render. Um, so, okay, give me a second. Okay, so if I go to render and go to the projects, here's my project 2. And so you can see here it's deployed on render. And to show you the functionality, um, I'll just let it load for a couple seconds. Okay, so you can see here that the first get is working, and also I'll show you the get users. So here you can see all the users, which are 7, which were the ones on the database. And to show you that the get by ID is working, I'll show you this one, Mike Jones, this user. So I'll put his ID, and you can see here it's returning the Mike Jones user. So now I'll show you the get post, the put post and delete are working. If I go here, go straight to here. So we'll try it out. And so if we wanted to put a new username, for example, Max123, then password, just pass Max 123, and then email test max at mail.com, and then name Max there maybe, and then country Mexico. So I'll execute it. So the user was created successful, and now if I get the users, Max should show up at the end. So this first post is working. Now, if we wanted to change the post, we select Max's ID right here, and then so here, try it out. Okay, if I wanted to change, for example, just his. mm, Okay, if I wanted to change just his password, for example, I would say passmax 568. I execute it, and the user was updated. So if I go here, execute. So now the password is max568. And now to delete it, now I get the ID. And try it out. Now I'll delete Max's ID. So now it shouldn't be on here. So yes. So this the post, put, and delete are working, and it's working on my render deployment, and all the errors are working correctly. Thank you for watching.